We factorize by grouping when we have 4 terms but no highest common factor between all of those 4 terms. So in my example here, you'll notice that there's a couple of things in common between like 2 or 3 of my terms, but nothing that's in common between all 4 of those. In this case, I'm going to split this up into 2 equations that I know how to solve. So I'm going to split this down the middle, and I'm going to solve my first equation here with highest common factors and my second equation with highest common factors also. So for equation number 1, the highest thing that goes into 3x squared and 6x is 3x, and to fill in my brackets, 3x times x will bring me back to my 3x squared up here, and 3x times 2 will bring me back to my 6x. Over on my equation number 2, my highest common factor is y, and y times x will bring me back to my yx here, and y times 2 will bring me back to my 2y. Now you'll notice if we bring everything back together into one equation, you'll notice that my x plus 2 is the same. In other words, it's the highest common factor between both of my terms here. So I'm going to take out my x plus 2, and to get back to my line here in navy, x plus 2 times 3x will bring me back to this line here, and x plus 2 times y will bring me back to this line here. In other words, my x plus 2 is what's in common, and my 3x plus y is what's left over. That is grouping in a nutshell.